Halloween, it's monster season, and one of the most famous Jewish monsters is the Golem. It's got a long history, but the most famous golem is the Golem of Prague, reputedly made in the 16th century to defend the Jews of Prague against an attack. According to that story, Rabbi Lev of Prague made a giant figure out of clay and used his incredible knowledge of Jewish mysticism to animate it. He wrote across its forehead the Hebrew letters Aleph, Mem, Tav, which spells emet. It means truth. And later, when the golem started to go out of control, as golems are prone to do, he erased the first letter, the Aleph, so that it spelled met, death. The story is an update of a much older bit of Jewish mysticism, the Sefer Yetzirah, which is a text on the theory that the Hebrew letters, or their numerical equivalents, are the basic building blocks of all creation. Someone who understands the system well enough can use different combinations of letters to produce different forms of matter. The ability to create something like a golem is the mark of very great spiritual mastery. As the Babylonian sage Rava, one of the most quoted rabbis in the Talmud, says in Tractate Sanhedrin, if the righteous desired it, they could create entire worlds.